going to show you how to boil plantain. So I'm going to quickly wash the plantain before I cut them. Wash them thoroughly with cold water. Don't worry about the color. We are going to boil it with the skin. You're not peeling it off. It's better so that it can lock up the flavor in there. And it's a healthier way of eating plantain, because I know most people do fry them, but I prefer to boil because you avoid eating extra fat. So I'm just quickly going to cut it now. And just cut into 4 pieces. I'm cooking a lot because of the number of the family. If you're living on your own, you can just have 1 plantain. So it depends. You just cook the amount you want. I'm going to add hot water. There. Don't add full, don't cover the plantain. Again, like we did with potatoes, just halfway is good. Our plantain is done now. I'm just going to drain off the water and then we can serve. So this is our plantain that is done. So all you need to do is remove the skin and serve. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell, and see you in the next video. Thank you.